Please read the disclaimer. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, money makers. The market just totally flipped. We have some massive movers here today. The market woke up. Why is this happening? What's going on? Plus, a announcement from me towards the end of the video, something new that we're going to start that I think a lot of you are going to be interested in. So make sure to watch all the way to the end of the video to find out. All I ask from you is that you give me a beautiful smile to send out those good vibes. Smash that like button. Let's try to get 3,000 likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. XRP is getting green. That means probably high probability and we'll see more likes on this video. This is just how it works. XRP is currently at $2.35, up 6.45% on the day. Bitcoin up 2%. Actually, Bitcoin not doing that great, right? The Bitcoin dominance just took a dip here, down 1.24%, basically the only thing that's down today. But you can see like multiple assets, 18%, 14%, 11%, 32%. Zcash continues to go just wow. Vert up 24%, like some big movers. Within Filecoin up 100% here today. So some big movers here in the crypto market. It was interesting because the stock markets, I think, finished in the green. Sorry, yeah, finished in the green, but it started out pretty red. Ended up flipping towards the end of the day as well. So very interesting that after we haven't really seen, any movements from the crypto markets, we got this nice movement here today to the upside. Now, as always, again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. This video is for educational purposes and maybe a little bit entertainment purposes, right? I know some of you love my dad jokes. But we've been here before. We've seen the market, have these good days and then give us a sell-off. So I'm still going to be cautious. Many people are saying that, the full moon was the catalyst, maybe that we're at the end of the pullback, although it was 2 days ago, I think. But what we are seeing and is a George W, right? A W double bottom, right? I like to call it the George W, where you're seeing the movement here kind of giving us that double bottom. So potentially that could be the reasons why we're seeing it. We're seeing it on many assets, 4 or 5% for the big dogs. Remember, we were talking about how they might be going down less, but when the market flips, they'll go up less, right? So remember, the assets that are at the top, there's higher probability that they move less than the assets that are of lower market cap that have higher probability to go up significantly because there's first, there's maybe less, trading on them, meaning there's less volumes on them. And each asset actually also has, the liquidations, what's happening with that, how much positions are being closed from liquidations, how much shorts are getting squeezed out from liquidations. Interestingly, Bitcoin is still in the last 12 hours, actually more liquidations in the long because it's the only one that really hasn't been moving, which was interesting after, we had yesterday where it kind of moved with the market. Today, we're not seeing that, up 2%, which is, it's not bad, but, relevant to, the rest of the market here, which is getting, 10, 12%. It's kind of lagging, it's kind of behind. So, that's interesting. And we'll see, what happens here in the next coming hours with XRP. People were talking about how the potential of the government shutdown that could be ending, that might have been the catalyst that sent the market here into the green. Now, I think it's still in the votes, right? It's still being voted on right now. So we don't know yet if it's going to be a flip, right? And we go from government shutdown to government working, right? But it will be very interesting to see if that is potentially a catalyst. There was an indicator, and there was, people that I already saw, actually traders that I really respect. They were, hey, just I'm flipping here. So maybe that, there is that was the bottom. We saw Bitcoin drop under 100,000 again earlier this morning, right? This happened this morning, like this afternoon, when the stock market opened here at 4:30. Bitcoin was under 100,000, right? It was 99,000, and it just totally flipped from there. I'm interested. Where was XRP? Yeah, similar. Like it was at the low. It was at 215. So basically, since the stock market opened, XRP is about up 9% since then. So very, very interesting move. And they all started, right? They all started moving around this area. I'm just looking at algo around here. Yeah, 14, 15% up. So very interesting. What was the catalyst here this morning that as markets started, waking up in the US, money started flowing in. Very, very interesting. And we'll see. We'll see what is going to happen here in the next coming hours. Oh, oops. Technical difficulty. You probably saw my good thing. I was, it wasn't late at night, but I keep forgetting that I move this down and then you can't see what I'm doing. Ay, ay, ay. You know what? I brought my camera, but they made a mistake. I let my 5-year-old, he has very bad ADHD. I let him help me put all my stuff together when I come here to my mother-in-law house. And we forgot to pack the cable that connects the computer to the camera. So I'm using the integrated camera on the computer. And so I forgot that if I was looking at the screen, you saw my my belly for a few minutes. I'm very sorry for that. I'm very sorry that you had to endure that. Now I want to talk to you about something that a lot of you have been asking me for a while. Um, will you, Avi, do something that we can have a little bit more interaction with you? Just day to day. Yes, we have the Twitter, but it's not really that interactive. And I decided that I wanted to open up a group, a Telegram group, a VIP Telegram group for people that really want the extra, right? They want extra Avi. And you want to know what I'm doing and what I'm thinking about the market, and maybe more about what I'm doing with my portfolios, and I think that it's acceptable that I also sometimes talk to you about how I'm feeling, and maybe more vlog stuff, things that maybe wouldn't be relevant for the channel here, just because what we talk about more news and more current events and things like that. But I think that this will give an extra thing. It's going to be a free group, right? But what I think that, and so we don't have spammers and scammers there. I'm going to add it to the VIP, the Avi Amazing 1348 EMA indicator. And so if you sign up to one of my partners and do the deposit here, you're going to also get access to the VIP Telegram group and the Avi Amazing 1348 EMA. And also this way, I'll have, if I have to go on a vacation again, I can contact you. The email list, I don't know, it's not, I got like only 60 people, 60 something people, and thousands of people watch the videos daily. So this is going to give us a little bit more interaction. And hopefully you guys are interested in, you told me in the comment section and in the poll that you are interested. I want people that actually wants to be part of the group. So link is going to be in the description down below to this site. Read the instructions. Emails might be going to the folder here, right? Spam folder. So which you get the email back, and then I know that you guys sign up. I do get like a list, but put in information here and so that I know that you have signed up and you want to be part of the VIP Telegram group. Okay. And so that is in the link in the description and in the pinned comment down below. Again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. I don't know what's going to happen here with the market. Maybe it's Freaky Friday and tomorrow we're red. So just be ready for all the possibilities and all the scenarios, okay? But a little bit optimism here for the crypto market. So that's always good after multiple days of a little bit more, sadder sentiment in the markets. We finally get a nice movement here to the upside, and a lot of assets are started to move. So that is usually an indication that the market is ready, that money is flowing in. But we'll see. We've seen fake outs before. Maybe this time is the one. Maybe it isn't. Well, we will find out together. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.